Welcome back, guys, to another episode.
Can we sit back to episode?
Bro, you can do whatever you want, bro.
Just go back, but like so sit up straight.
And then you can just be like, ah!
My bag is hurt from sitting up all the way over there.
Anyway.
What's up, guys? We're back here.
Like always.
Back for another video.
Episode 6 of ReZERO. Last episode was episode 5. Pretty good episode. He
Really
died
good episode.
again.
Yeah.
He died again. Which I guess I assumed he was gonna die again, but like, I guess I don't know. Some stuff happened differently.
I thought it was gonna annoy me more, but I really don't.
He's learning. You know?
I think would annoy me more if like,
it happened, if it didn't give you like a full story.
That and like if it like everything happened the same again and it just showed us, which I know they wouldn't do that, but
annoying.
you know, he did play it a little bit differently this time. Or I think they showed us more of the stuff that they didn't show us that first time. I think that's maybe why I felt different, because like this time she was like helping him study and stuff, and we didn't see that the first time. But I don't know if that happened the first time. I don't know.
You know, there's little things, you know. But he ended up pretty much similar to where he ended the first time. A lot better though, but then he got murdered.
I was like, well, he ended up dead. Either way.
But he got thrown down the hallway, looked up, seen his arm, he was like,
Could it be?
and then boom.
Could it be Elsa again? Probably not.
Like you heard, like chains.
Well, the episode was called "The Sound of Chains." And she didn't use chains; she used like daggers.
I don't know. I felt like I heard it. Just felt like a little like tube was rolling on the ground. That's what it sounded like to me.
Sound like chains to me. I mean, I don't know. I don't have any expectations. Well, that sounded bad. Like I don't know what's gonna happen in this episode. Obviously, we're gonna get another restart.
He's gonna figure it out. He's definitely
Pretty
figuring it
sure
out
he
this
doesn't
time.
die until the next checkpoint.
He showed himself to be pretty smart in terms of like, you know, figuring stuff out quicker.
Yes.
Yeah.
So.
Even though it was more fluent and better the first time, but it's okay. We'll see.
Yeah.
All right, start
Let's
it
get
up.
to it.
The Sound of Chains, episode 6.
Little recap for you. Show this every episode.
Always gotta
TV Tokyo.
show a little.
Okay.
I mean, that has to. Ugh.
They're gonna.
Are they gonna be right there?
Yeah. They're gonna be like, what are you doing?
So this is technically happening after he gets shocked by Beatrice.
Yeah.
That's the scream of someone who's just like dying.
Why is he just?
Well, he knows like a little more about them now. You know what I'm saying? So like he knows like more insight about like the twins and stuff. So you could probably be like more friendlier to them.
Yeah.
Best girl Rim.
Let's go around. Team Rose.
I don't know. I like
Amelia.
Amelia's my
a-
favorite.
I like Phil also.
Phil's is nice.
And I'll add, I like Ram too, or Rom.
You like Rom?
She's funny. I like how like she's really confident, but like bad at everything.
And then she just knows she doesn't lie.
Yeah.
She'll tell you the truth straight up.
Which I think
Makes
is
for
funny.
some good
'cause-
comedy. Yeah. I know. I like Amelia. Obviously, has to be one of the best girls.
Amelia's the best girl for this anime, 100%.
But he was like, yeah, demons get stuff done. They sit here and they laugh and make you smile. And then Rim just gave him a little smile. And I was like, what does that mean?
We're about to see her.
She's a
Maybe
bad
maybe
girl.
She's a
don't know.
bad girl.
if like
We shall
Beatrice
see.
has like some sort of like powers, I assume that like Rem and Rom have some sort of powers.
Starts shooting stuff.
So
But that also means
Amelia has
any of
powers.
these people could be a killer.
I doubt.
Well, Felt's definitely.
I doubt it's any of them, honestly.
You think Felt's good people?
It could be Roswell.
Could be
It could be Roswell.
Could be someone we don't even
But he didn't
know.
want to take a bath with me, bro. You're my property. Nah, I kill you.
And you're wrong.
That's the reason.
The third day. Technically.
The
First
first day. Oh, that is true.
It's just too early. Is he thinking or is he talking out loud?
I think he's thinking.
'Cause if he's talking, she's just gonna be listening. She just.
What's she doing?
Oh, he was talking.
Oh, he was going around. Maybe.
Oh, okay.
That makes more sense.
That makes more sense. Why is she twirling? I thought she was walking, like spinning. She's just walking, spinning. Boom.
Oh my gosh.
Unlucky. Amelia's gonna be out there. Yep. Don't get it on her, no.
Falling in manure.
Oh, you can't like rub against them because it's so dirty.
God, the worst run is gonna be the one that saves. Oh, never mind. Yeah, Pokemon is strong.
So she had like elemental powers, maybe. We saw her throw those shards like in those like 3 episodes ago. I think.
Maybe you can't cry, haha. Oh. Start piecing them up, actually.
Oh yeah, gotta laugh.
Oh, let's
gotta laugh.
go.
My stomach, I'm dying. That was him. Let him himself.
Oh my gosh. It can't be anybody that lives there, unless it's him.
Unless it's a million.
Oh, he did it. He did it.
He did.
He said just ask whether there was a gift.
No, she yawned. It was different.
Why they just all look at her like that?
They did it in the first one.
They did? Oh.
What she said? They all looked. Maybe he does restart it, yeah.
You can't get close with them. They're not the same.
Hierarchy?
Yeah.
You tell me what to not do?
I'm letting you live here.
I suppose. I suppose.
She does say that a lot.
Oh, she looked like that. She feels it.
Oh, what the? I can't.
So it's not Puck. There's no way it's Puck.
Yeah.
Who's the traitor? You're gonna make her mad.
Oh, I was gonna. Shut up. I suppose.
No.
Oh no.
She's out there again.
Just standing there.
What was that?
Oh, that was Rom or Rem?
It was just her. It was Rim? Or was it the reflection?
No, because she was like holding something.
But he was never a bad ogre.
I don't like this story.
Right? This story is like.
be the sisters.
This is a sad children's story.
I wonder if he's gonna ask like other people the same thing. Maybe see like other people's. Nice. You eventually see Subaru on a dragon. What the?
Something about witches, man. Witch is bad.
Some weird stuff's going on, man. Very weird.
You think so?
I think so.
I think she was asking that. I think she was perceiving it as being twins.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely spoke to her on a personal level.
Red and blue. Pink and blue.
The jealous witch.
Satella.
He's leaving?
That's what he said he was gonna do. Just so I think he's gonna spend the day away to see if like it happens while he's gone.
What if he comes back and they're all dead?
Or maybe they try to do something. We'll see. Kiss. Kiss.
Not happening.
He never made his promise.
If this is the saved version, it's bad.
But he also
He's
ended
protecting
off horribly.
Yeah.
He left it on a good note. But where he going? Where he going?
It went right. About to get a training arc.
I don't know.
What is this? Oh, is that the mansion?
Oh, he's even watching. So he can spot like someone going in.
I hope she does.
Yeah, this run was horrible.
What if they just see him up there like, that's suspicious.
Yo.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, this planned out.
I guess so. I guess you didn't have a plan.
Bro,
He's gonna die again.
I think so. I think he's gonna have to reset.
He's ready now.
We're not gonna see it. We're not gonna see it.
No, we're gonna see it, bro.
Like the music.
Ooh, who is?
Oh
No
no!
way. Wait,
Which one is it?
which one is it?
Let's go! Look at it.
What is happening?
She's a demon! Bro, best girl.
Bro, what?
What's happening? What's happening?
Ichigo, no.
Ichigo, I'm sorry.
Yo, it just came out with a fucking. Yeah. What the hell?
That's why she was. I don't know why she smiled whenever you said like the demon thing. She's like, "Yeah, I'm gonna kill you later."
Why though? I don't get it.
I don't know. I don't get
And
why
it's like,
she would
even
want
if she
to.
did, then why didn't?
I don't get.
I guess that would have made sense. It wouldn't have made sense.
I don't
Like,
get
why
it.
did she kill him when they went to town and they were by themselves in the woods? But then they probably would have suspected it was her because
He didn't come back.
he didn't come back when he was.
Wait,
with
is
her.
it her or is it like? Did Roswell like tell her to do it?
I feel like maybe Roswell might have told her.
That's a good theory. I don't see any other way.
Might have seen them getting too close.
God, I don't
Him
see
and
her.
Amelia.
I don't see her having a motive for herself. Obviously, if
Yeah.
her and Ram are like kind of just like they've been kind of just like robots, following the orders of blah blah blah.
They
I guess
just,
we don't know anything about
They're
them.
really loyal to him.
So I can't assume it being on their own motives. But then again, like I said, we don't know much about
I'm
it.
ready for next episode.
There's also
low-key.
the whole story thing.
I haven't even seen the part where I've seen her doing something with that. So next episode
Next episode, probably.
should be lit.
That's good. That came out of nowhere for me.
I already knew it was her.
I didn't know it was her.
Good episode,
Yep.
though. Good episode. Really, really solid.
So I go demon mode.
I'm ready for this next one, though.
I don't know. Really good episode. I don't think he's gonna live.
This, no.
I don't think you live. I think it resets again.
Because like if he gets saved and like they see Ram like doing it, then like obviously like she's not gonna be in the rest of the show. You know what I'm saying? So pretty sure he dies. And then the next time for sure. 4 is the lucky number. He passed it and got to the checkpoint on the 4th life the first time. Right?
Like he said,
No.
he said that he died 3 times, and on the 4th time he was saved. This is the third time still.
Okay.
He said and then that's why he was saying he was like, if it follows
Oh, never
the
mind.
same rules,
Oh yeah.
then he'll die again.
But he's not
and
gonna
wake
throw
up.
that life away. He's gonna try to use it. That's crazy though. I mean, I knew it was her by the spike, but like,
I didn't know.
why? We get it. You
I'm
didn't
just
know.
saying, bro. I'm the only true.
I seen a
blind
scene on
here.
Instagram.
True blind reaction.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
That was good. No, it was good. I'm excited, but we have to wait a week.
Yep.
To one day. Sadly.
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time.
TF out.
Goodbye.